Welcome to this lesson. Today, we'll explore how to pick specific key value pairs from an object in JavaScript. This technique is useful when we need to extract only the relevant properties from an object while ignoring others. Let's get started. The goal is to extract only the relevant properties from an object. For example, if we have an object containing a person's details, we might want to extract just the name and city while ignoring the other details. This function iterates over the provided keys and checks if they exist in the object. If they do, they add it to a new object, which is then returned. This ensures that only the desired properties are extracted. The process starts by looping through the specified keys, checking if they exist in the object, and then adding them to a new object. Finally, the extracted key value pairs are returned. In these examples, we extract specific properties based on the provided keys. If none of the specified keys exist in the object, we return an empty object. This technique is widely used in real-world applications, such as handling API responses, managing user permissions, processing form data, and transforming objects before displaying them in a user interface. In summary, we've used JavaScript's reduce method to extract key value pairs efficiently. This approach is simple, effective, and widely applicable in various programming scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.